Welcome back to Living Large Camping. This week we drive through the White Mountains of New Hampshire until finding a campground all to ourselves. We enjoy the changing fall colors and make the most of our days despite non-stop rain showers. Just how small does the camper feel after continuous days in the rain? Stay tuned to find out.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know, about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we wait.
Nice and rainy day, but this is going to be a perfect campsite. A couple fall colors changing. Let's have a good night.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Thank you.
Take my hand,
Hot toddy.
we can miss out.
Let's go.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
We're staying at Sugarloaf 1. Site is $20 a night, and it's one of the cheapest that we have found in New Hampshire. There's not a ton of free camping around these northeast areas, which is fine. All the states are pretty small, so there's a very high demand for land around here, which makes it hard to camp in, and obviously less free camping. But states like Colorado and everything, there's tons of free camping, and that's why we love those states.
But this spot is really pretty. It's got a lot of fall colors and some really pretty views.
It's only gonna get prettier.
Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me.
Good boy.
Be free. Be free. Be free.
On this rainy night, we're gonna do some Thai rice noodles with a sweet chili sauce, and we've got some of the chicken sausages left and a bag of frozen veggies. So we're gonna get that going now. It sounds delicious.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall.
Opa!
Why didn't you?
Thanks for the wine.
Cheers to that.
So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
Looks fantastic. Nice easy meal on a great rainy day.
Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
That dinner was delicious. Cleanup was easy, and now it's time to just hang out in here. We wanted to have a fire tonight, but obviously the rain has changed that, so maybe tomorrow, and we get to go walk around and see the rest of this area. But for now, we're calling it a night. Good night, guys. It's raining. Seems like we have a little bit break in the rain, so we're gonna take this time to go walk both of the campground loops. I think there's only one other camper on this loop that we're at, which has been very nice because it's very quiet out here. So yeah, we're gonna go see who's on the other loop and just enjoy breaking the rain.
Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you, 'cause I can stay till the morning.
Bears.
Stay till the dawn, but
We still have yet to see one.
just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever.
I saw this yesterday whenever we pulled in, and nobody's been here last night or today, so I think they left it for somebody, and we're gonna use it.
That somebody's us. So we just scored some wood, and we're gonna go back and make some pancakes for breakfast this morning, and then start a fire.
Alright, got my campfire jacket on for later, and it's time to make some pancakes on this cold, rainy morning.
Is it too late to feel?
Fresh farm milk.
Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go. Get
Pancake time?
close to me. Oh, don't let go. Get close to me. My body's waiting for you.
Still love having this portable butane stove with us, because when the weather's nice, it makes it great for cooking outside.
Body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around.
Time for breakfast.
And the best part is,
Whenever you're around. Whenever you're
Pancakes were delicious, and now it's time to go start the fire.
chop wood.
Kids chair.
Just a little bit. Accurate. I'm winded.
For a dog that's 9, gonna be 10 relatively soon, he's got some energy, so
He does. You'd think he's like 3.
it's always fun to see him play.
And the rain begins. Goodbye, fire.
It's nice while it lasted. Not a bad spread for living in a camper.
It looks delicious. Work. Bruce. Oh.
Time to get cozy.
Oh, thank you. Well, it's been still really chilly and rainy, so we've gotten some good work done, and now we're gonna enjoy some tea and watch the rest of our movie. Come on.
So it's still raining, and I think it's gonna rain all night long, which means it's time to make some pasta for dinner.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed.
Wow, we're having a warm pasta meal tonight with squash and chicken. And yeah, just gonna hang out and enjoy the rain and listen to some music.
When I say I'm not
Now, time to clean up the dishes.
afraid, but I'm trying to share.
Here we go.
What I like.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's pouring on us now. Nice to have a dry camper to come home to.
Yeah, it's a little wet outside.
Well, that's going to do it for us tonight, guys. The rain has continued, and it's supposed to pick up pretty heavily here in a little bit. So I think we're going to get into bed, watch a movie, and then we'll see y'all in the morning for coffee and probably some more rain.
Probably so.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
You ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass?
Well, guys, that's going to do it for us this week. It is time for us to go find somewhere dry to plan the next couple of days, and hopefully we can dry the camper out a little bit because I think it's supposed to rain for the next week. So pretty damp inside, but we had a great time here in this park in New Hampshire. The trees are starting to get so beautiful, and just can't wait to see what the next couple of weeks looks like here.
Yeah, stay tuned for the fall colors changing. I know we're excited. So.
Absolutely. Well, thanks guys for watching, and we will see you next time.
See you guys.
It's not